Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I thought I'll take a little break from my diecast cars because I like all things diecast and I'm a big fan of buses, especially the London double-decker bus and the Hong Kong double-decker buses, but I also like a lot of tourist coaches as well. So I've got about 4 today. I've chosen these 4. I've got 5 more to go, maybe in the next video. These are quite popular among diecast enthusiasts, and they come in varied scales and sizes. This one here is 1:120. That's just a random Majorette release of a Murray's coach, and these two are made by a company based in Hong Kong called Tiny HK, obviously Tiny Hong Kong, and they're both British buses. One's a CMB Leyland Victory Mark II. The other one is a KMB Dennis Jubilant. So I'll have a look at them individually, then I'll pop them on the turntable as usual. And the most popular scale, or rather scales in the buses, is 1:110, which I haven't got. Oh, these two are 1:110, sorry. That's a one-off 1:120. But the most popular scale is 1:76 because they're slightly bigger and they're much more detailed, trying to cater to all various collectors of the buses. So enough of the banter. I'm going to start unboxing the videos now. I mean the cars now. Okay, let's look at this beautiful double-decker bus. Alright guys, that's the bus out of its packaging. It had a cardboard protection box, then a blister bubble pack as well. No wonder it's quite safe. Hope you guys can see it without the reflection. I've got the route number 52X, and this one's a MAN bus, one of the most popular companies that make buses apart from Scania. Volvo is a MAN. Pretty neat guys. Overall gold color scheme, excellent paint job with plenty of black accents, and the interior they've got red seats going on. That's the back of the bus. It's got a tiny license plate. I'll do the 1:76 scales eventually when I get to them. You can notice the difference. They're slightly bigger and heavier, but highly detailed guys. Okay, next one is this beautiful Murray's coach. This one's got MAN as well, so probably the same brand. MAN's Lions Coach L. This has got Murray's bus on the side. It doesn't say in the front or the back what scale this is, but it's definitely not 1:64 or anything like that. I'm just guessing it's just made for collectors in general. All right, I'll get him out of the pack. Look at the beautiful bus, guys. Plenty of detailing on this one. There you go, MAN. Murray's bus or Murray's coach or Lions coach. Painted taillights. It's quite heavy. It's got a plastic base, but okay guys, mystery solved. It's a 1:100 scale. Hope you guys can see it. MAN's Lions coach or MAN Lions coach, Majorette, Germany. Pretty neat guys. Okay, I'm going to look at the tiny HK guys. CMB Leyland Victory Mark II, Hong Kong. There you go, guys. I love buses, guys. Something about buses, just beautiful, just like trains and planes. This one's got some Vipers. It's a Route 109. It's telling me it's going to take us to Central Macau Ferry Terminal. It's got some painted grille, painted lights, beautiful plastic seats, sliding doors or opening doors, but doesn't really open on this model. A bit of detailing on the back as well, route number, license plate, and blinkers, tail lights, mock grille on the windows, a little emergency exit on the end of the bus. Beautiful, guys. Okay, we're down to the last one, guys. KMB Dennis Jubilant or Jubilant. This one's got some special liveries or decals. Cool. Let's take a closer look. Take a look at this beauty, guys. Total fascination here. It's just beautiful. It's got a license plate, a plastic black grille. Route is 96R. The print is too tiny. It talks about some Wong Shake Pier. I'm guessing it's one of those ferry terminals. And look at the beautiful decals, guys. Work safely, enjoy a good life. I'm happy how Hong Kong is promoting a work-life balance. A lot of countries need to follow suit. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. I like the multicolor approach on the top, the middle, and the bottom. And look at this, guys. The door doesn't close. I've tried doing it after I got him out of the box, but it stays open. You can look at the steering wheel, the brown interior, the seats and stuff. Magnificent, guys. Alright, guys, those are the 4 buses we had to look at today. The first one was a 1:120 MAN double-decker bus. Second was a Majorette 1:100 Lions coach by MAN as well. The third was a CMB Leyland Hong Kong double-decker bus. And the last one was this beautiful KMB Dennis Jubilant by Tiny HK Hong Kong double-decker bus as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I shall catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.